Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one only great Dan. So, today, obviously, is October 14th when I'm recording this, which is the day of the DareDevil Cup. So, I got a team together. We managed about 64, which is top 5% in NA East. But as you guys can see, that is clearly not good enough. I apologize for video lag ahead of time, but hopefully I've got it better now. So, guys, not to fret, don't rage quit just yet. You may have the equivalent of the DareDevil skin in your locker right now. So, guys, this is my best turnout for a discount DareDevil skin. So, I got Hunter for the hero skins. I'm going to show you guys what I have for the pattern if you want to try it for yourself. So, I'm using Victorious with the half mask. The eye mask is on and the belt is on. I have Spandex for the primary suit style with the color red. And then I have the secondary for metallic and brick red. Because the DareDevil skin has a dark red and a light red on it. The accessory color, I have brick red. So I think that's closer to the belt color on the actual skin, and yes, I did reference the original skin to make this. So a few differences you will notice against the original skin is, first of all, there's no black outline around the eyes. And second of all, these are full gloved hands, not partially gloved hands. So the eye effects would be off, he has red eyes. The skin tint would be nothing, because he's white skinned. Hair tint doesn't matter, but I've had it to nothing. And guys, obviously, if you're trying to troll your friends with your default DareDevil skin, I would put no stickers because obviously there's no red D sticker emoticon, so it pretty much just gives it away that you're using the superhero skin. But I bet you could at least fool a few people for a little bit if you run around with this thing. So, the sonar backbling I don't actually even think goes as well with it as the chain stick pack from the starter pack, because he has the red batons for his pickaxe. So for the actual pickaxe, I chose the red fang saws because I just think that looks a lot cooler with who is supposed to be a DareDevil. So I also have the rust bucket glider, or junk bucket. So I think this is a pretty risky looking glider, to go good with the DareDevil skin. Same thing about the lava contract. And then hopefully you can get a good look at these emotes if it's not too laggy in the video. So I have breakneck. We have breakdown. These are my personal opinions on what I think go best with this. We have droop. We have Fierce. We have Introducing, which is a PS4 exclusive. And Rockout. And if you guys don't actually know, if you use the Hero's Beacon with no sticker, it's literally just a light in the sky, which is pretty decent. Then we have Ultra Red for the Wrath, which I think fits pretty well with the skin. And I just shoved on the Oni banner, I believe it's called, with the red color. And obviously Banger's pretty savage, and I just think this loading screen is hilarious. I actually used this one for like a whole season one time, I think. It's just a really funny banner. But yeah guys, this is the discount DareDevil skin, so if you want to trigger your friends, if maybe you just barely didn't get it, and you did pretty well in the tourney, we only got about one win, so it wasn't too bad. I blame myself for the amount of crippling lag on the NA East servers that we got, but yeah, it was a good tourney overall, and if you guys find this video helpful or triggering and you want to trigger your friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you look forward to more videos from me. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.